Want to take the flavor of your ice cream to the next level? Today, Howard shows us how to make his not fried, fried ice cream in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Can you believe it's already July? And unlike last year, that means many of us are getting together with family and friends. And with July being National Ice Cream Month, there couldn't be a better time to stock up since there are so many sales and promotions going on all month long. And if you haven't had a chance to check out all the new flavors and options that have popped up over the last few months, let me tell you, are you in for a treat? Of course, there are the good old scoopable standbys, but what makes these really stand out this year are some of the new exciting flavors that'll make your taste buds stand up and take notice. Looking for a lighter, better for you option? No worries. Imagine digging into a dish of decadent goodness that is keto friendly or one that's sugar free. Yes, that means we get all the taste without any of the guilt. And for those of us who have been wishing for a really good dairy free or vegan option, the wait is over. And if you love ice cream novelties, there's no shortage of them. Whether it's an old-fashioned ice cream truck favorite, a trendy yogurt treat on a stick, maybe a fancy international favorite, or one that just says, Happy Summer. I promise there's something for everyone in the ice cream aisle. Want to know what I'm serving this year after the burgers and hot dogs? It's a big scoop of ice cream rolled in a cinnamon kiss crispy crunchy coating before getting drizzled with honey. I call it my not fried ice cream. And to get the recipe, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, wishing you a summer filled with lots of melt in your mouth ways for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
All right, you can find the recipe to learn how to make that, along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.